Have you ever been stuck up with a tire puncture and you don't know how to replace a wheel? Please take a look on wheel replacing tutorial. It is important to make sure which type of spare wheel it is, a space saver spare wheel or a full size spare wheel. Nowadays, almost all manufacturer offers a space saver spare wheel. A space saver spare wheel may not be driven at speed over 80 km per hour as it is only for temporary solution. To fix the spare wheel, remove the following items from the boot: spare wheel, wrench, jack and a safety triangle. First, place the safety triangle approximately 50 meters away from the vehicle. As we are jacking up the car, make sure the car is on the level ground and the parking brake is fully engaged. Using the wrench, loose the wheel bolts by pushing in an anti-clockwise direction, but don't lose the bolts completely. Now slip a jack under the car at a jacking point near the wheel arch. Never place any part of your body under the car, chances are there that it could slip out. Wind the handle of the jack until the tire has an inch of gap between tire and floor. Then remove the bolts completely. Now remove the damaged wheel from the axle. Take the spare wheel and fix it on the axle. Turn the bolts by the hand with the finger tight. Also make sure it is not tightened wrongly. Lower the jack fully. Now use the wrench, tighten the bolts as much as possible. Make sure all the equipments are kept back in the boot, including the damaged wheel. After reaching the destination, make sure the wheel is replaced or repaired as soon as possible. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to this channel for latest updates. Thanks for watching and stay safe.